Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Steamed twisted roll called huajuan is a traditional wheat food in northern China. It's called huajuan also because its layer style looks like a flower opened. I always thought that steamed twisted rolls and steamed buns were twins. Where there are steamed buns, there are usually steamed twisted rolls. The difference is that steamed twisted roll is salty. Today's recipe is steamed twisted rolls with scallion. Scallion can be omitted. It will not affect its deliciousness. Let's get started. Prepare 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of yeast, 150 milliliters of water. Add yeast to the flour. Then slowly add water. While adding water, stir with chopsticks until the water is used up. Knead the flour drops into a dough, just like this. Cover and let it rest for 40 minutes. Get 3 scallions, about 20 grams, finely chopped. Then prepare 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil. Add salt to the oil and mix well. Dust some flour on the work surface. Take out the rested dough. Knead until the surface is smooth. About 3 minutes, just like this. Use a rolling pin, roll it out a thin pancake. Roughly 2 millimeters thick. Brush evenly with salted oil. Sprinkle with chopped scallions. Roll up the pancake with a width of about 5 centimeters. Roll it once, press it with your hands until it's all rolled up and becomes a rectangle. Cut into halves. Place side by side. Evenly divide each dough into 6 equal parts, about 3 centimeters wide. Stack each two together. Take one group. Press down in the middle with chopstick. Stretch the ends with your hands and pinch them together, just like this. One twisted roll is complete. Do the same for the remaining groups. Arrange them in a steamer with water. Cover and let them rest for 10 minutes before steaming. Turn on the heat. After the water boils, steam for 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Do not open the lid immediately. Wait at least 5 minutes before opening. The fluffy, scallion-flavored, slightly salty steamed twisted rolls are ready. If you like today's recipe. Give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.